How to set up Google Family Link on my child's phone. So if you want to set up Google Family Link on your child's phone, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Google, and under your Google you need to search for Google Family Link. After searching, you need to tap on the family link from Google on the first search. It will take you to this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply tap on sign in. So once you've signed in to your Google Family Link, now you just need to simply go with the top left, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and you need to go and add your child. Once you've added your child, you can go with your child's profile and then go with controls, and under controls here you will have all of the account settings or the account controls. In my case, I've already turned it on, but if you've not turned on or if you've not set up your Google Family Link on your child's phone, then you just need to simply open up your settings on your child's device. And for Android devices, you can go with Google, then parental controls, or for Chrome OS devices, you can go with people, then parental controls, and then follow the preceding steps for your parental controls, and then just tap on done below when you're finished. So you can also go with the screen time, which will be on the left side of your screen. You can tap on add device. Once you tap on add device here, as you can see that it says you need to do these steps in order to set up your Google Family Link on your child's phone. So make sure you follow these steps in order to set up a Google Family Link. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.